Hey everybody, it's Andre from Transit Arts, and today we're going to be making kazoos. Now, why kazoos during Leadership Week? Well, if you look at history, leaders tend to always have a way to signal their army or commandos to tell them certain secrets or tell them directions, things of that nature, right? In the past, they would use horns from like animals, or they would use like music, or today in this age we have means of texting or calling someone in order to communicate information. But back then they didn't have that. So I was thinking if we can have our own way to communicate using kazoos with straws. So all you really need, and really all you really need, is a straw and some scissors. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody. So what we have here, once again, is some straws and some scissors. A pair of scissors. That's all you need. Now, I have different sizes of the kazoos. Okay, there's a kind of a short one. This is a really short one. This one's a really, really long one. And this one's kind of like, it's kind of short, but not that short, right? And the great thing is that you can, the longer the straw, the deeper the sound. Okay, the shorter the straw, the higher the sound. See? So today, I'm going to show you how to make different kinds of kazoos. So, what you're going to do is take your straw. Okay, I already cut it here, but I'll cut the other end, right? See? And what you want to do is you want to pinch one end of the straw. So go ahead and just pinch and pinch and pinch some more, just like that, right? Just like that. So now it's kind of flat on one side. A little bit harder this time. Yeah, there we go. So you can see it's a little bit flat. Let's see if the camera can focus in. It can't, that's okay. And what you want to do now is take your scissors and be careful. You want to cut one end of the straw diagonally like that, so that you can kind of create a snake's mouth with your straw. See? Like a V. So let's do cut number one. Careful. Right, just like that. And then you flip it over and you do the other side. Just like that. And now I have a snake's mouth. Pretty cool, right? I have a V. What you do is you want to pinch that, just like that, and now you have a kazoo. That's simple. It's really that easy. Sounds like this. And like I said before, the longer the straw is, the deeper the sound, and once again, the shorter a straw is, the higher the sound. So let's say you don't want this straw to sound so deep, right? What you could do is you just go ahead and cut it anywhere you want. Just like this. And look, now you can make another kazoo. But this straw is a little bit higher in sound. See? Pretty easy. And let's make another one out of this, which means you can make as many straws kazoos as you want. So let's do it again. So take one end. I'm gonna take this end here. Okay. I'm going to pinch it really hard, just like that. Okay. Going to cut. Careful, don't cut your fingers. One end diagonally, just like this. across like that, and then I do the other side just like the same way. Sometimes you'll mess up, that's okay. You know, scientists, they mess up all the time, that's how you learn. You go ahead and pinch this side right here, and now I have another kazoo. See? So, that is how to make a kazoo with straws. If you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll have tons of more videos out for you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, drinking a lot of water, that's important. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!